Turbo was leaking. Car wouldn't start on the key because the alternator and the battery was dead. The serpentine belt was virtually frayed. The oil cooler seals, which are right down in the V, right down there, nightmare to get to, they were leaking. I had spill flaps leaking, inlet manifold was leaking, my swell flaps were broken. My old flaps were broken, that's not good, is it? But yeah, it's been a bit of a labour of love, really. Wish I started doing some more videos, but this is going to be the new video for the YouTube channel. New car, sorry. I've done a few bits to it. Bentley style grille, wrapped the headlights, de-chromed it, got rid of these little horrible strips on the side, just tightened the wheels up a little bit. They ain't great, but I want to do another video when I get some new wheels because I want to do a suspension drop. De-chromed the back, done the wheels. Considering its age, it's in quite good condition, and it's done 182,000 miles. Which, considering this is the UK, that is the only bit of rust on the entire car. On visually, underneath, a different story obviously. But, testament to Chrysler, they know how to build a car for UK conditions. Interior, driver's seat is mullered, but you'd expect that from 181,000 miles. Look at the state of that. When I bought this car, this is the only bit of paperwork it came with, was a logbook. Now look at all this. Look at all that. This is what happens when you buy a Chrysler for 500 quid. I'm thinking it's a good idea. Oh, thank you Shell Garage for taking off my my black badge. But on the whole, considering she's done 181,000 miles on the button. Listen to that. Mercedes OM 642, 3 litre turbo diesel. Dirty old diesel. Tick, 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 tick. Sounds like a boat engine, doesn't it? But, like I said, 80 odd thousand miles. She's worn them very well. Oh, this is going to be another video up and coming. Thank you Corona for messing up my delivery. So, went and bought a new head unit, well, second hand head unit, because the original sat-nav was broken. Plugged it in, got power, no sound. Why have I got no sound? Because it's got a Boston premium audio. I need to get an amp bypass lead, which was 45 quid. Thank you very much for that, Chrysler. So I'm rolling deep in my gangster car with my gangster tunes coming from my little box. Don't even know how to work all this yet. I ain't even fiddled with it. Where do I get to the mileage? I'm not lying to you. She's got 180 odd thousand on the clock. Come back. Oh, never mind. Oh, here we go, hang on. Look. Mileage, 181,786 miles. Crikey. Still going strong. Only because it was powered by Mercedes. But on the whole, for 181,000 miles, and I've rebuilt the top of the engine, she is running a hell of a lot better than she ever has done. I've done a full swell flap delete, well, say delete, fixed the rods, permanently set them to open, and modded the swell flap motor with a resistor so I don't get the horrible light coming up. But yeah, there's going to be lots more videos on this car coming, hopefully, as long as Corona don't mess up my delivery ideas and plans. But yeah, got to sort that badge out, wound me right up. Thanks Shell Garage, shout out to Shell. Cheers for watching guys.